Alright, hi, this is Cesar Sanchez with Matilde Web Design, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a favicon to your Squarespace website. What is a favicon? A favicon is this little logo to the left of the website that it will show up in your browser tab. So we've got NPR there, we've got Squarespace, we've got mine, Matilde Web Design. These are favicons. And it's important to add it because if not, what usually happens, if it's not added, you'll see a little gray box. So to give you an idea, it's this little gray box right there, okay? All right, let's go to a website. Let's choose this website. Once you're here, go to home, click the / button, which is just below the question mark on your keyboard. Then from here in search, do favicon. Choose it. Okay. We're just going to do this start from scratch. So this is what you'll see. Add a favicon. You'll see though, before you do that, there's a few things we need to check with that favicon to make sure it's configured properly, otherwise it can't be uploaded. So the first thing is you want to make sure that the maximum size is 0.1 megabytes or 100 kilobytes. The other thing you want to look for is to make sure that it's configured as a PNG file, that's a transparent file. And then finally, the last thing you want to make sure to do is to have the favicon dimensions at 100 by 100 or 300 by 300 pixels. All right, so let's click on add a favicon, upload file. Here is my file, so I'm going to click there, then hit save. All right, finally close this out and then do a refresh. And there you go. There is the logo or favicon for this website. Okay, and again, that'll distinguish your website from a DIY website versus a professionally designed website. All right, if you have any questions, reach out. I'm Cesar Sanchez with Matilde Web Design. C. Sanchez at matildewebdesign.com. Thank you.